In this video, we will show you how to make a healthy fresh oyster mushroom and potato soup. This is a hearty comfort food and it is great for any time of year, especially when mushrooms are fresh. This easy to make soup is loaded with hearty vegetables. The broth is smooth and buttery but not too heavy. The robust flavors will keep you coming back for more. Any type of oyster mushroom can be used for this recipe. We will be using beautiful and vibrant golden oyster mushrooms. Do not eat any wild mushrooms unless they are clearly identified by a mushroom expert. Eating wild mushrooms can be very dangerous. It is important to collect your mushrooms while they are fresh. Look for beautiful golden crowns and avoid mushrooms that look slimy spoiled. We will now begin cleaning the foraged mushrooms. You can use a damp cloth to wipe off debris. Avoid overwashing the mushrooms, as this may cause them to be soggy in certain recipes. We will next cut and prepare the mushrooms for cooking. Large and chewy stalks can be removed. We will chop our vegetables and prepare fresh celery cubes. We will use some fresh garden onions and dice them fine. We will cut our golden potatoes into cubes. Next, we'll prepare a sauté pan with oil. We will add our fresh onion, celery, and wild mushrooms into a pan and sauté until golden brown. We will season our vegetables with salt and pepper to taste. We will prepare our soup base by adding chicken broth. We will then add our cubed potatoes. Once cooked, we will add our sautéed vegetables. We will add some wheat flour to thicken the soup for texture. We will use additional salt and pepper and seasonings. Bon appetit!
Please like and subscribe. It helps a small channel like ours tremendously.